What is the capital city of Brazil? Brasilia, Sao Paulo, Rio de Janeiro, Goiás. The correct answer is Brasilia. Which nickname was given to Thomas Edison, the American inventor and businessman? The Wizard of Menlo Park, the Teflon Don, the Golden Arm, the Brockton Bomber. The correct answer is the Wizard of Menlo Park. How do you say hello in Hindi? Hola,
Namaste.
bonjour, konnichiwa.
The correct answer is Namaste.
What is the name of the famous Anglo-Saxon burial site discovered in Suffolk, England? Sutton Hoo, Stonehenge, Avebury, Tintagel. The correct answer is Sutton Hoo. Basenji dogs are often described as energetic and playful, gentle and docile, shy and reserved, aggressive and dominant. The correct answer is energetic and playful. Hannibal famously crossed the Alps with his army to attack which ancient city? Rome, Athens, Syracuse, Alexandria. The correct answer is Rome. Who painted the world-famous artwork Starry Night? Claude Monet, Vincent van Gogh, Pablo Picasso, Henri Matisse. The correct answer is Vincent van Gogh. What is a galaxy? A large planet, a cluster of stars, a black hole, a celestial body made of gas and dust. The correct answer is a cluster of stars. The capital city of the Byzantine Empire was Constantinople, Rome, Athens, Alexandria. The correct answer is Constantinople. Dingoes are believed to have descended from which type of domesticated dog? German Shepherd, Golden Retriever, Siberian Husky, Indian Pariah Dog. The correct answer is Indian Pariah Dog. What gas do plants absorb from the atmosphere for photosynthesis? Oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, hydrogen. The correct answer is carbon dioxide. The philosophical concept of anima and animus is mainly associated with life and death, nature and nurture, gender, mind and body. The correct answer is gender. The world's largest airport by land area is located in which city? Denver, USA. Dammam, Saudi Arabia. Beijing, China. Istanbul, Turkey. The correct answer is Dammam, Saudi Arabia. Who traditionally wore a pschent? Roman emperors, Pharaoh, Greek warriors, Persian kings. The correct answer is Pharaoh. Which city is geographically closest to the coordinate point 0 degrees north, 0 degrees east? Nairobi, Lago, Accra, Kinshasa. The correct answer is Accra.